Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my social media planner, which happens to be Modern Year Classic Size Happy Planner in a dashboard layout. I do change one of the sides of the planner into my own design, so I just printed some pages. I'm going to go ahead and pop it onto the disc because that's the easiest way for me to align the page. And then I run the disc, including in between, run the double adhesive tape, including in between the discs to make sure that this won't be coming off. So I just do that really quickly and then align. Then I pop it off the disc and trim. If you're interested, that's kind of how it goes, for me at least. If you guys have better systems, share them with me. I'm always looking for fun solutions. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this dashboard layout that I've created for my videos to the left side, and I am going to be using the Happy Plan sticker book. It's just super pastel-y and beautiful, and I actually think it's perfect colors for Easter, so that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm making it fun and bright but yet muted down with pastels, which is fun, right? So I'm just quickly going through this book. This book is so much fun, you guys. It's so functional and beautiful at the same time. They did a great job designing this, and I am really enjoying the effects of it. So I'm gonna add like the circle sticker that says New Day. Okay, so I'm just having the hardest time placing this straight. I don't know why, but I do. Let me take the pages off the planner and maybe that will become easier, especially because I want more than one of these out. Okay, so I'm gonna add some florals, and that's Recollections Bright Floral sticker book mixed with the Happy Planner Happy Plans. So that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm adding color and interest into the spread. I really enjoy giving it, mixing two brands who actually go pretty well together, because look at these colors. These colors are matching kind of perfectly. Take time for relaxation. Awesome. Okay, so I'm adding these, like I said, half a circle stickers. I think they're so much fun. They add such a big color pop to the spread. It's actually really fun. Okay, so here's a fun thing. I collected all of these small stickers from this book, and they were sitting on my arm, and I am trying something out to fill out the spread, but you will shortly see that I won't be liking that, and I'll be removing quite a bit of it. Keep life fun in yellow. I really like yellow in the spread, like I said, spring, but still. Okay, spread joy. Oh, I think that's lovely. Like I said, these long stickers are beautiful, so I'm just adding them into my spread, hoping that they will look amazing. Then I grabbed a whole bunch of boxes from the Happy Plans book, and I'm adding them throughout. And now it's time for these little tiny stickers that I don't think look good, but that's an afterthought. I wanted to see. I think they make the spread busy without any reason, so unless you have to use this, because they're not functional and they're not really decorational, so I will be removing them. But in the Recollections Bright Florals book, there's some individual really beautiful florals that they have made with leaves and stuff. So I will go ahead and remove those round things and then go ahead and go with these individual flowers. Just keep adding more and more to my arm so then it's easier to disperse while I'm over someone. Okay, so let's add those little tiny elements to make sure that the spread looks great. So we have some leaves, some flowers, some yellow flowers, some pink flowers, lots of little greenery because again, that's what I like. I don't necessarily like I said, those little round stickers that just have images inside, but I do love little teeny bit stickers that are gorgeous that you can just add throughout your spread to fill it up like so. So between those two books, I think this is coming out really fantastic. And these colors, like I said, they match so well. Unless you knew that they're from two different books, you probably wouldn't even think about it. Because these flowers are right on point with the color of the stickers in the Happy Planner, and even the oranges and the yellows and everything matches, which is awesome. So I added 2 more boxes, so I have a box in every single day, because why not? And then I'm adding a tiny little trinkets to the spread to bring myself joy, because I really like when my spreads are full and beautiful. And this one is not overwhelming with too much stuff because of the pastel colors. It's very muted and fun and elegant, so that's exactly what I like. And that Happy Plans book is absolutely beautiful and functional. I really enjoy that they added so many of the lovely boxes that I'm always searching for, and these have a small design in them, elevating them a little bit. They might have little dot grid or something, just like this washi did. So that is super fun. I think we are mostly done with this spread. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. So we are all done. I hope you guys had fun with me. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye!